Welcome to Visual Creations. Here we help you realize your vision for custom displays, retail fixtures, and signware systems that engage shoppers while making your products and your brand look their absolute best.
Over a period of 11 years, we're now in 300,000 square feet plus facilities, a campus of several buildings, servicing most of the major retailers in the United States and helping them bring their products to market. We truly become an extension of their company.
The process really starts when the sales team comes in with an opportunity. Typically, they start with design, engineering, prototyping, and CNC material processing, assembly, and packaging, and to finally make it out to shipping and into the market.
I think it is truly a point of difference, the amount of services that we can provide in-house.
We create from wood, metal, signage, acrylic, and many other different materials. We're trying to complete everything in one place so we can create a better experience for our customers.
And then what that allows our creative team to do is they're unlimited when they're asked to start with a blank piece of paper. They really have a very wide scope of how they can design solutions for our clients. We have such a great team of people, very experienced at doing what we're doing for our clients, that I believe this wide breadth of services allows us to think beyond just manufacturing the product.
We understand store setups, we really understand their needs, and we really try and take enough of that away to make it enjoyable to work with Visual Creations.
Long hours, late nights, weekends, whatever it takes. The passion of the people is one of the big reasons for our success.
We have a great quality team, great quality manager, always trying to make it better, but the number one thought on everybody's mind is taking care of the customer, because really, they're the ultimate person we need to take care of.
We do whatever it takes to satisfy that relationship in a way where the customer can win too. We're looking to do business with people forever.
We are Visual Creations and we make retail work. Let us help you transform your in-store experience. Your shoppers will love the results. Let's start today.